Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be doing a makeup video step by step. I'll be showing you how to do makeup step by step. So forgive my voice, I have flu. Anyways, let me go straight into the video. So first of all, as you can see, draw your eyebrows according to the shape of your eyebrows. So make sure your eyebrows are shaped using a razor blade or anything. Then the next thing, you start filling in your eyebrows depending with how dark or how light you want your eyebrows to be. If you want them to be too dark, you can fill them to be too dark. If you want them to be a bit light, you can use a light hand, not too much force, and after that you brush them through using a spoolie brush, and the product that remains on the brush is the one you use at the beginning of your eyebrows. Then to clean up your eyebrows, use a concealer that is lighter than your skin tone, either one shade or two shades lighter than your skin tone. But I don't know, I just bought this concealer, I don't know if it's 2 shades light or even 3. Yeah. Guys, just ignore the noise outside, the kids are playing. So for the top part of my eyebrows, I'll be using Fit Me foundation. I bought it from Gala International, which is located in Zambia. That is Fit Me in that shade that you saw. So I use foundation so that it will be easy for me to blend in, because that is the same foundation that I'll be using for my whole face. And yeah, I thought this foundation was darker, but it turned out to be a bit lighter than I wanted it to be, but I used it anyways. Yeah, then for your eyelids, for me I use a beauty blender to apply concealer on my eyelids. So I used a dark shade from that Shaz palette, from the Shaz contour palette. I used that dark shade. Then I went in with that goldish color from Huda Beauty. Like, I don't know, I didn't show the products, but yeah. Yeah, then at the end there, the outer corner, I used black. At first I used dark brown, but it wasn't as dark as I wanted it to be, so I ended up putting black and also some eyeliner to make it even more dark. And for the inner lids, I used, what palette is that, but it's not too shimmer. This color is not too shimmery, so I used it for the inner lids. Yeah, and for the, what's this, eyeliner, you apply it as close to your lash line as possible. So you'll see how I made my eyeshadow dark using the eyeliner. And the next step, you apply your false eyelashes. Put glue on your eyelashes and put your lashes on your eyelids as close to your natural eyelashes as possible. So as you can see, this foundation, as I said earlier, it was lighter than I expected because I tried it on my hand because my body is lighter than my face, so yeah, on my hand it was okay, so I had to get it. But yeah, I should have gone with a darker shade, but anyways, I tried my best to, you will see. So I'm applying concealer for my under eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and also on my forehead and on my chin. Then I spray with the setting spray from Shaz Cosmetics. Now I'm just aiding it to set in using a brush. Then I also applied blush. Blush on my cheekbones going to my hairline. And now I'm applying powder. I'm highlighting with powder and contouring with powder from that same Shaz palette. And now I'm contouring my nose, even though I used a very dark shade of contour. My plan was only to use a little, but anyways, and make sure the lines on the left side of the nose and the line on the right side of the nose are similar when you're contouring your nose. The same way you try to make your eyebrows similar is the same way you make these lines similar when contouring. Then also make sure you're blending to avoid having harsh lines. So I'm also contouring right there on my cheekbones using a dark shade of powder. I only used a little because this powder is very dark. And for my lips, I didn't use anything. The same gloss I put when starting applying makeup is the same one I went with. So right there, I'm trying to make my hair. I'm not a hairstylist. I was trying it for the first time. Let me know how the hair came out, because I'm not so good at hair, and it was actually my first time. I was like, let me try, because I've had this gel for more than 1 year and I've not been using it. So the gel I'm using is Move It hair gel. And the whole long hair came out there, guys. But anyways, I still continued. You tie your hair wrap there where you've applied your gel. You wait for a few minutes, depending on how much time you have. For me, I think I waited for 10 to 20 minutes. And that is my final look. Let me know what you think about this look in the comment section. Bye.